guys, I'm back with something a bit different. They're not high-end trainers, they're not Puma trainers, they're not Nike trainers. For the first time on my channel, don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, Adidas trainers. I personally have always been Team Nike, so it's a bit different. I think 2021 we have to try new things. We have to buy, I don't even want to say it, buy Adidas. But yeah, let's just get into it and see what they're like. If they're nice, I'll keep them. If not, I'll send them back. I must add that I will be trying out other Adidas trainers because there's a few pairs I really like. I just need to get my hands on. But Puma's been my favorite so far this year, and of course Nike is amazing. These were at a price I couldn't resist, so they were about £25 to £30. I can't remember exactly the amount, but for that price, trainers, brand new, can't go wrong, can you? Let's see. Oops, that failed. Oh, got a pair of, I like that, they come with other laces. This is why I bought them, because it has the shoe size kind of thing on the heel, so you can sort of tell they're UK 10. I didn't even show the box. Let's pretend this never happened. Yeah, what does it say on the box? Superstar. That's fun. So yeah, some spare laces. I don't know why you put those in. Those are okay, but I like these kind of off-white kind of colorway. So we've got like a suede-ish tongue. Suede? I don't even know what the material is. Yeah, so it's got the 3 stripes on the back. This is actually my second pair of Adidas trainers I've ever bought. My first pair was a pair of Adidas Pro model high top shell toes, so like this but mid top or high top, and gave those away because I can't be Team Adidas. But I really do like those, and I might buy another pair. Nice kind of leather. They look quite big. Ooh, leather insole. I like that detail. Not fully leather. This is Adidas. I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep these. I'll have to see what they look like on foot. I really do like this, so whoever thought of that, shout out yourself. And could be just a normal summer shoe just to go to the shops in, or walk around in, wear with some shorts and anything else. Yeah, so they're okay if this is your sort of thing. I don't really wear low tops too much. I like more of a bulky trainer. I do have low tops, but I'm more of a mid top, high top, or a bit of a bulky type of trainer guy. Something with a bit more weight or something to it. But it's quite nice for the price. You can't say no. I'll try them on foot. I'll make an on foot video. If I like them on foot, I'll keep them. If not, then I'll be sending these back. But for £25, I might not even send them back. But thanks for watching. On foot to follow.